the introduction of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers: the blockchain is setting down deep roots. With this trust and calculation skill, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than required to make a remarkable digital money that could hold an incentive at a splendid future cost, empowering taking credit, making installments, and all in replaceable neighborhood monetary forms. Before we start with a point-by-point Nexo cost expectation, we should really take a look at the coin outline. What makes Nexo interesting? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital currency-upheld credits to clients. These advances don't need a FICO rating, and this element makes it an appealing choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for acquire a moment advance in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check the total Nexo audit here. After storing, a credit line opens up, and no credit check is important. Clients can spend from their acknowledge line whenever for the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards: 1, versatility of exchanges, and 2, working with a smooth incorporation with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments and furthermore is a wise speculation choice. A striking component of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction transformations of monetary forms. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their neighborhood monetary standards. Nexo, specialized investigation. Like other cryptographic forms of money, Nexo also is to a great extent subject to value development and request and supply, and is profoundly weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculation. Specialists shift as they would see it about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In view of verifiable information, not long after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, a significant leap that mirrored a tremendous measure of early financial backer interest. In any case, it checked nearly flattish energy till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo moved up above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight revision and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information showed when any remaining monetary forms showed a troubling presentation. The Nexo cost displayed strength, acquiring financial backer certainty and showing an extraordinary flood in energy with no Nexo cost drop knowledge starting from the start of 2021. Notwithstanding, in 2022, the cost of Nexo was revised consistently, and it shut the year around 62 cents. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a maintainability advantage that impacts Nexo's gauge contrasted with conventional monetary forms. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around 75 cents with a 24H value change of plus 0.23% and a 24-hour volume of $6,611,251 with a market cap of $425,261,495. There is as of now a circling supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In light of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a cost fall is expected. The Nexo cost visualization for 2023 is 8 cents. According to the Estimate Information Examination, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $1.50. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $1.68. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo in 2023. Nexo figure of cost sounds exceptionally bullish in the future as it has shown a solid consistency. Toward the finish of 2023, the Nexo cost could undoubtedly swing around $1.08 pursuing trade choices to acquire benefits in Nexo. Nexo conjecture totally relies upon the value development and opinion. The cost of Nexo could reach $3.05 toward the finish of 2023. Despite the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2023 to 2030 are nonpartisan as far as development, the drawn-out standpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There is a ton coming up for financial backers, as expressed by specialists. Nexo costs might go on upwards, crossing $1.50 by the 2023 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help in hopeful conjectures. Nexo value expectation 2023 going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns. Almost certainly, the year 2023 may not be ideal for Nexo for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is a determined possibility of the Nexo crash to 70 cents, and the greatest cost might be around $1.70. Yet again, Nexo value expectation 2024 expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in light of expectation at the cost of Nexo. and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that any XO will manage the crypto realm, taking out BTC strength with an exhibition of cost fixed at $2.01. Any XO can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances for the most part due to areas of strength for it. Any XO value expectation 2025. The current year's forecasts could stamp the benchmark year as the cost of any XO is estimated to outperform $2.50 definitely, principally on the grounds that this year, no essential elements like the pandemic or downturns are expected to shake the foundations of world economy. And it is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work in every single world economy. NEXO value expectation 2026 as indicated by our NEXO cost gauge in view of specialized examination and past information. This digital money could leap to about $3.59 by December 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around $2.95 and $3.27 individually. NEXO value expectation 2027 keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that the NEXO cost is ready for a rise even in 2027. The cost of NEXO, as well, will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting the $4.45 mark in light of cost expectation. NEXO value expectation 2028 considering our Nexo conjecture, specialized examination, and market refreshes, with many ventures reaching realization before the year's over. The inside and out greatest cost of $5.75 cannot be precluded for NEXO, making it a productive interest in the cryptographic money market, contrasted with government-issued types of money. NEXO value expectation 2029 as per our NEXO figure. The token is supposed to exchange at the very least cost of $5.55 with a most extreme cost of $8.15. Simultaneously, the typical worth of the token for the whole year might be around $6.85. NEXO value expectation 2030 master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul instead of the momentary cost developments, with a touch of persistence in keeping their expectations high in the drawn-out estimate. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2030 as the reception of NEXO will fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap by when NEXO will not anymore a gullible participant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, yet a carefully prepared player. It is normal to exchange at a limit of $10.01 in 2030 in light of our NEXO expectation. Does Nexo have a future? NEXO is a cryptographic money that has a savvy and brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, it will control the computerized realm, thus for the purpose of installment, it would have a long rule. Indeed, even online entertainment stages like Twitter and Facebook affirm Nexo's predominance over BTC's strength. Is putting resources into NEXO a smart thought? Indeed, as per our Nexo cost figure, putting resources into it will be smart at the ongoing cost level. Be that as it may,